The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria has organized an expert session on the impact of digital technologies on intellectual property rights, IPR, management and protection. The session, which was held on Monday, aimed to equip participants with the skills needed to protect their creative works from unauthorized use or reproduction. The lecture was delivered by Professor Dr. Tabrez Ahmad, who is an adjunct faculty member at MAAUN and founding dean of the MANUU Law School at Maulana Azad National Urdu University in Hyderabad. The virtual event brought together students and faculties and gave them the opportunity to learn about the new challenges and opportunities in managing IPR in the digital age. Professor Ahmad, a seasoned academic and a former Vice-Chancellor of Goenka University, spoke at length on how digital technologies greatly affect the creation, sharing, and protection of intellectual properties. He lamented that while these technologies made it easier to create content, they have at the same time created complex challenges in managing and protecting IPR. According to him, the simplicity of sharing digital works globally has led to more cases of infringement, making it harder to enforce rights. Professor Ahmad also discussed several new tools that help with IPR management, such as digital rights management (DRM) systems, blockchain technology, and artificial intelligence (AI). While transitioning to a broader perspective, the speaker discussed the essential role of international organizations such as World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO) in harmonizing IP laws and fostering global cooperation to tackle cross-border infringements. The lecture concluded with an engaging question and answer sessions where students actively participated by posting insightful questions that enriched the discussion. Notable contributions came from Saudat Shehu Garaye, Aishat Adam Opeyemi, Alamini Ochi Ishaka, and Sheshe Fauzia of the Computing Department, who asked questions that further deepened the conversation while adding valuable perspective to the topics discussed. The event was graced by the presence of the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, and the Head of International Office, Engineer Bashir Garba, among other attendees.